Ready to see the mind-blowing tech you didn't know existed? Welcome back. Today, we are counting down 12 coolest Amazon gadgets you've never seen before. Ever tried scrolling through your phone at the beach or pool, only to see absolutely nothing but a massive glare? Say goodbye to squinting. This genius gadget is a universal phone umbrella that shields your screen from harsh, direct sunlight. What makes this particular model a total game changer is its powerful built-in magnetic ring. It snaps instantly and securely to the back of your phone, so you don't have to worry about clumsy clamps or it falling off when you move. Even better, it has an adjustable, bendable metal handle and a built-in 360-degree rotating phone ring. This means you can angle the shade perfectly to block the sun while maintaining a rock-solid, comfortable grip on your device. It is literally the ultimate outdoor vacation essential. If you're already loving this list, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss out on the best secret tech. And if you want to grab this phone umbrella for your next outdoor trip, the link to the product is right down in the description below. If you spend hours scrolling through shorts, reels, or feeds, your thumb deserves a serious break. Check out this clever Bluetooth scrolling ring. It lets you completely control your phone or tablet completely hands-free. With a simple click, you can scroll up and down, swipe left and right, pause, play, and even leave a like on apps like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. But it gets better. It also doubles as a remote page turner for ebooks and a Bluetooth camera shutter. You can comfortably prop your device up, kick back, and control everything effortlessly from across the room. It's lightweight, fully rechargeable, and works seamlessly with iOS and Android devices, making it a must-have for everyday scrolling, reading, or taking selfies. If you love camping or pool days but hate the exhausting chore of inflating gear, you need to see this. This is an ultra-portable, pocket-sized electric air pump that completely eliminates the struggle. Weighing a feather-light 2.4 ounces, it packs an absolute punch with an upgraded airflow system that delivers up to 2 times faster inflation. What sets it apart from traditional bulky pumps is its advanced low-noise design, operating at a quiet 65 decibels while pushing 300 liters of air per minute. It makes blowing up air mattresses, sleeping pads, and pool floats a total breeze. On top of that, it pulls double duty as a multi-mode camping lantern with 5 different lighting settings that can last up to 50 hours, making it the ultimate space-saving travel companion. Next up is a clever 5-in-1 tech gadget that completely redefines the desktop phone stand. What makes this speaker mind-blowing is its wireless induction mode. You can literally just place your phone on the stand, and it instantly amplifies your music with crisp audio and deep bass, completely bypassing the need for Bluetooth pairing. Of course, it also packs cutting-edge Bluetooth 5.3 if you want to connect traditionally. The stand itself rotates a full 360 degrees vertically, letting you easily find the perfect hands-free viewing angle for video calls, gaming, or cooking tutorials. To elevate things even further, it features a built-in colorful LED light on the base, a long-lasting rechargeable battery with up to 8 hours of playtime, and it even doubles as an emergency power bank to top up your phone when it's running low. Stop wasting your money on disposable freezing cans of compressed air. This is a game-changing, eco-friendly solution for keeping your gear spotless. This compact electric air duster packs a powerful turbofan that reaches mind-blowing speeds of up to 110,000 revolutions per minute, effortlessly blasting away stubborn dust and hidden debris. It features 3 adjustable speed settings to perfectly handle everything from delicate camera lenses and mechanical keyboards to deep cleaning your car vents and home electronics. Weighing a feather-light 0.45 pounds, it's incredibly portable and easy to maneuver. Plus, with fast Type-C charging, it fuels up in just 3.5 hours, delivering up to 240 minutes of continuous cleaning power on a single charge. If you're a serious FPS gamer looking for an absolute edge in immersion, you have to see this. This is a gun-grip vertical gaming mouse designed specifically to mimic a real pistol handle. What completely sets it apart is the built-in linear motor that delivers real recoil feedback every single time you fire, giving you an unmatched tactical feel. Your standard left click is transformed into a true mechanical trigger pull, complete with a dedicated zoom toggle and a rapid burst fire button at your fingertips. Beyond the pure fun factor, the ergonomic vertical setup drastically reduces wrist strain and helps prevent fatigue during long gaming sessions. Under the hood, it sports an ultra-high precision PixArt sensor tracking up to 26,000 dpi, making your aim faster and more accurate than ever. If you've ever wanted to customize your gear or start a DIY side hustle, this pocket-sized laser engraver makes it incredibly easy. This is a beginner-friendly engraving machine that goes from unboxing to your very first project in under 2 minutes with absolutely zero complex calibration required. What makes it better than bulky traditional engravers is its ultra-portable design. It weighs just 720 grams with its stand. easily sliding into a backpack so you can create anywhere. It features an upgraded adjustable stand and a 360-degree multi-angle joint, allowing you to seamlessly engrave flat, curved, or irregular surfaces with massive confidence. It handles wide material compatibility like wood, leather, acrylic, felt, and even fruit. Best of all, it can run directly off a portable power bank, unlocking true mobile creativity on the go. If you run a business, a bar, or just want an epic piece of wall decor, this massive 30 by 10 inch LED open sign is an absolute showstopper. It features an incredibly unique US flag theme, packing 720 super bright LEDs in red, white, and blue that light up simultaneously while the blue bulbs twinkle like stars. Unlike traditional neon signs that are fragile and hum loudly, this high-quality LED setup operates completely silently, runs energy efficiently, and won't flicker. It gives you total control with fully customizable brightness from 10% to 100% and 3 dynamic flashing modes to grab maximum attention day or night. Plus, installation is a complete breeze. It comes with sturdy mounting chains, an extra long 9-foot power cord, and an inline controller for effortless plug-and-play functionality. If you're tired of aching knees and back strain while working on your car or DIY projects, this heavy-duty rolling mechanic stool is a total lifesaver. Built to handle up to 300 pounds, it features a robust steel base combined with an ultra-thick, soft sponge cushion to keep you comfortable for hours. What makes this stool way better than ordinary shop seats is its incredible storage efficiency. It's packed with 3 separate slide-out tool trays and a dedicated pull-out drawer, keeping your wrenches and drivers perfectly organized right under you. Gliding across your workshop floor is completely effortless thanks to 4-inch universal rubber casters that rotate a full 360 degrees and absorb shock silently. With its low-profile design, you get unhindered access to tight spaces, making it an essential tool for any automotive or home improvement enthusiast. Which of these incredible gadgets was your absolute favorite? Drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.